Ebusia, come with me again, oh. Come with me again. Mind-blowing issues are so Ghana and Amedibrowa. The first thing, UBA, a Nigerian bank, has been suspended by a Bank of Ghana. Ask yourself, why? The next one, a Nigerian near Brante Chino Kotoka International Airport, Okuta, ATM cards bebre or the coin also the corner or the call Dubai and obefa Ghana and Omuchino. Hey, back a day. These guys may say we have to make sure we nail them down. After so the last one I'm the bebra ono. KwAku menu any funny face. They have a word for Ghanaians about these Igbos and these Nigerians living in Ghana. And I want you guys to listen because these are two fine guys that they have been in the system for a little bit while and they know exactly what is going on. So I want you guys to exercise more patience. Senior Beya, we'll go and watch that video. Now, before we watch that video, Bomodian says you smash on the like button, you comment below, and let me know your thoughts with respect to what is going on. Tomorrow, the last day, Ghana will stage and change the narrative. Until Bomodian says you show up at the Opera Square. Okay, Bomodian says you come there in your numbers. We need about 5,000 to 6,000 youth on the street of Accra tomorrow. So, like I'm saying, UBA suspended. That is it. UBA have been suspended at Bank of Ghana for a month because the things they are doing, government of Ghana is not happy about it. So, like I am saying, don't think say the noise we are making is not going anywhere.
National
Let's go and continue.
Has been arrested in Ghana after being found in possessing 656 ATM cards belonging to various individuals. Ubi says, "Why a banker no ye thing? Why you do about?" Just every single thing that you hear about Nigeria is not a story to tell. It's not a story telling good things about Nigeria.
Ghana, womo actually no Kotoka International Airport. Na okita ATMs be 656 na ni nyina no eye amanfo edin banks ahodo be te se enkono ATMs amanfo edin wo so no womo ede ne kokopie mu wo court na abrantie ye friend Basha Musa Aminua ya wanya emfie aduanan enum na womo charge ne 2 account ni nyina no na electronic trafficking na fe kronobo ya eno no womo court ye ko na abrantie no agitu mu se ono de asem a ye de ato no so no wogitu mu a enye yie efise aye card na ekita no 656 no obi ene de man no wo Nigeria man mu se wo fa nkonko mu obi wo Dubai empotam ho na obetwa mu wo Ghana ha Ghana aye Kotoka International Airport fo wo mo kire no enti ena no pai wo mo ekokopie mu wo court nam so ema assistant state attorney ema oman Ghana na opanyi a wotena so na se otemuafo wotena so eye justice Lydia Osai Mafo wono ene na ete so ena eye state attorney editu dwa say abrantie no lawyer aba senka wo mani bail anka wo mo epe nanso sesia no wo mo ede ye nhwehwemu fufuo bi aba montia wo mo epe so wo mo toa so ekokoye nti wo mo abrantie no bail a enya de a ebeboa enu nti no otemuafo so agitumu say ene ese new investigation ahase de a na ye ma abrantie no bail a enye yie nti esese wo mo eye nhwehwemu mapa efa ho se de be ya wo betimi akira na sa abrantie no betimi aba ba kire ne ntia na okita ATMs eye automated teller machine ATM no okita mako 656 ya na ye amanfo din different na wo so no watimi aba be kire mu ne ntia otimi ekita sa ATM card ni nyina na nka odi etwam akọ amanone.
Great. Minimum say yehooda banker and as a bank manager. Guys, I'm also laughing because 2 Ghanaian movie actors have waded into the ongoing tensions between Ghana and Nigeria, both urging government to take immediate action on the situation. Ghana actors Menu&Fanny do manwa to asemi movie. No mo say aban e die na say aban wo ye tie nsem o mo kana ene aban betia unti on sisi a Ghana obi
okay Mati, don't disrespect Mati. I'll take that from you. Okay Mati, need that from the DOP Mati. Okay ebi mu komo mu dini say Ghana for muni mo wu a mo nhwe na sankofo na ye gigi wo mu so se ibofo no sen kakran de ahobrase se krama ahobrase besi even omo dom person omo ye no a ono Nigeria ni na betete nsase enya ba bi gina wo Ghana ha na omo kasa ha ye omo kingdom ampa ayi si yetite omo yetite ntrintia ye tu omo asekura enya ye okay ebeye den Ghana ba be fight ne mpokura Nigeria no omo si o nya me se Nigeria no ye won kofo bo ko ye camp mo ne ade ne san kofo no ye mo even Nigeria fo na ye o kidnap yes saa Igbo fo no e omo so omo ni e den sebi omo ti se sebi Ghana ko ebusa abe no omo ti se nwan nti we no be can excuse me to sebi na the excuse no say international platform forget about international me kasa ma Ghana for say international na ye dey ye kasa cha Ghana for na so ye Ghana for ti dey wa enti Ghana for na me do omo kasa no se leader ba ko pe lead se wo kwa omo nyina atoa no so sa asem si na leader ne kasa won tiase omo nko a omo do moja betwa so yeah you wan haram boko haram no ya ade ekoso Nigeria ni ano Nigeria for person mo chese ye pese e be happy wo Ghana ha yinteteni hibo fo no etimese Ghana for Ghana ban yeah penfo Ghana ban me de some George ababe yina no tem say e ho na ye ono no di emu no ni zone no won pene na so far na onu kura kase wotia Ghana for ne to aba Ghana for ekase we ni ye pa anu ni ye pay yem pa yem pe citizen say wo de ewo na ebre yo wo de gold na ebre yo wo so be chiche sika kwa citizen say omo mpe so mo mpe dia eni kwa say sa kwa no wo de ni na woni wo Igbo fo so won kan East Lagos no ni ni hin man fa bibia mamu yo wo no wo for protocol won koton adra ozire wo for protocol won koton okay sana Ghana for ekase sana Ghana for kan naka be bi na e ma no even including Nigeria for kwa yem sisi say Igbo guy who the problem be ba obe ya sani akacha say Ghana for because some pam ye dawo Ghana must go but sad and intimate happy sisi say ye pam Nigeria for some kom okwa kaso ahun Ghana has sisi am ye pe be bia Nigeria for good pa any dey ampa ayeho any dey ampa I live there so I work kaso you find say I've stayed there before now I don't stay there anymore but what property is there yes okay so my property is the back yes what you find say Nigeria zone what is trust me and say Ghana for kwa person taste say the Nigeria tia no I dey ya man no Ghana for ma mo wi o mo no
Ebusia, I believe strongly say you guys see the video out there. Two major Ghanaian actors, KwAku and Funny Face. Also, they have a word for the Nigerians. What they are saying, they have said their own. I don't know your take on that. I think so. You see, Bank of Ghana, right? I suspended UBA. Ask yourself why they've been suspended. Bank of Ghana has suspended UBA. So the other Nigerian guy now, all your video can say they want to take their banks and they want to take their businesses down, go, they should go, blah, blah, blah. Already, Bank of Ghana have seen that UBA is being used for a lot of fraud activities in Ghana. So Bank of Ghana, in their own wisdom, has suspended them from operating some part of their dollar account and stuff like that. You know, Bank of Ghana has suspended them. Now, say if you think say the day and the noise and what Ghanaians are talking about on social media about these things, the corruption, the crime rate and blah 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 is not going anywhere, be my guest. It's going somewhere. Because say penning for sometimes no, they see the thing but they will not put measures on it until say they see that people keep complaining about it. Then when they go and check, they will see that BBL Koso. You understand what I mean? And what I'm saying here is say for UBA to be suspended in some of their operations, no, it tells you say the complaints we are making no is going very far. And I believe strongly say national security for any Yoko for keep listening to some of us. We just need to keep pushing because sometimes no diplomats they cannot react giddy. They have to do everything in a just way. So we have to keep pushing. It's very important. I think so. Nigeria ni ayache no onunku okuta ATM 600 plus. All they call him. Also, me di fa Accra, e di akọ him fan. Me di call Dubai. Obi ni smile me. These are the things we keep talking about here. And so, Ebusia, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. It's very, very important. And all the security agencies, including the airport security, should be vigilant. Immigration service, be vigilant. Ebusia, that's ene. Ebesen shiabum pia